Nice morning. Here we are on this job. See what we get into. Tree on the roof here. Wouldn't want to be sleeping in there. Wow.
If you don't understand something or you're not sure, just ask. Same as you, Eric.
Yes.
So if you guys see something that I don't,
Oh, really? Did you make a difference?
that's what I wait for. He said if I give me back my hot light bar, like, you know what, he'll give me the light up for free.
Oh, that's all right. I run like 660 one, maybe it was even an 880 with like a 4-foot long light bar on it. They're definitely nicer for that. Oh, that's gonna stand back up. Look at that. Stub down, got the top off, looking good. Got hit pretty good down at this end of the island, but all that stuff's laying out in the water. That's just a big mess.